DirectFix.com presents
the iPad 5-piece toolkit review. Be sure to check us out on the web at DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YouTube7 for 7% off your first order. The iPad 5-piece toolkit provides you with 5 tools to assist you in repairing your iPad. You will receive a Phillips screwdriver, an extra large case opener tool, a T4 Torx driver, useful for the iPad 1, and a set of 2 suction cups used to simplify screen removal. Please be sure to check our website, DirectFix.com. Just click the link below for all your parts and accessory needs.